6,000 years ago, a comet shot from the planet Zotar to come to help those who have been held captive on planet Earth by Luciferian forces. What's up? I see you coming. Duck down so I can hit the target. He had you running all around and feeling broken hearted, cause it was stunning. It's deception when you first departed. We're getting cunning, his ways since the war started. So pick a drama, any drama on a daily basis. These prima donnas are slapping faces in all races, leaving minimal traces back into the dragon's lair, which is hidden between the crowd. Why life ain't fair? Not to you, don't know what to do cause you don't have understanding. And now you plan to fail, accepting hell for lack of planning. From inside, look up in the sky, is it a bird? No, it's the word. Come to free you from the shackles, clearing the vision that was blurred. Don't have to step inside of a phone booth to fight for truth. Don't need a back plane to have a game plan for the youth. Got an arsenal full of bombs, X-ray vision, plus I'm strong, and I'm in it for the long, to infinity and beyond. Stop to bandits drop, my buildings out they spot. When he shows his head, I chop, and it's landing where it's hot. In the test of life I messed you, and you really want God to bless you. Let his spirit come correct you. From that you get your rescue.